to show you a very simple game that you can use for practicing sight words with your children. This activity also can be created within just minutes by just using a toy which you already have at home. So here I am making use of the famous fishing game that you have normally, and what I have done is, using some white stickers, I have just written sight words on them and pasted them on the different fishes. Now I'm going to call out the names of the different fishes or the sight words that I want the child to practice, and the child then has to use the magnetic rod or the fishing rod to fish it out for me. For example, I am looking for the fish that is called two. Two, can you find it? And here it is. I am looking for the fish which is called come. Come. Here is it. I am looking for the fish with the name I. I. And here it is. Now exactly this game can be reused for a variety of different activities. So instead of sight words, you can even use it for the letter names. So you just write the letters on the different fishes, and then you look out for the sound. So you say the sound and the child gets the corresponding letter for you. Can you find a fish that starts with ah? Ah. And if this is ah, then the child will fish it out for you. The same game can be even used for addition, subtraction, different subjects as well. So but I really use it a lot for sight words because it is fun in a way and really not boring, as sight words need to be learned just as they are by sight or have to be by hearted. So just by playing these simple games, you can really make it more fun and attractive for your child. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon just next to the subscribe button so you get updates every time I upload a new video. Thank you and keep watching. Bye bye.